guys, I'm here in Gurgaon and we have a very exciting evening ahead. We have a show for India Bulls, the pioneers of real estate, and tonight is a double celebration. The first celebration is the success India Bulls achieved in the past year, which is 2025. We are also celebrating those people that made this success possible, the channel partners. So, what are we waiting for? Let's see what's happening tonight. Our partners, our parivar, our partners in growth, our partners in success, and our partners on this glorious journey. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Akriti Narula, and on behalf of India Bulls, the pioneers of real estate, I welcome you all to the Achievers Meet. This evening is very special, and it's special because we have a double celebration taking place. We are celebrating the success of our sold out projects, and along with that, we are celebrating you, each and every one of you, because it is you, your hard work, your determination, your grit that makes us the brand we are today. Without you, there is no us. You are our achievers, you are our superstars. So come on, let's start this evening with a big round of applause to welcome each other, our achievers, our superstars, and for this glorious journey over the past 1 year. Can we get a big round of applause, please? Well, that's much better, and I do hope that this applause is there throughout this evening. So now, as you can see, as you've already witnessed, the stage is all set, the tempo for the evening is set, and it is now time to officially welcome you all to this beautiful evening. And to do that, may I now invite on stage President, Sales and Business Development, India Bulls, Mr. Ankur Arora. Arora, for sharing that with us, and rightly said, today is all about you, as I mentioned in the very beginning. Ladies and gentlemen, moving forward, it's now time for a short presentation for which I now invite on stage Executive Vice President, India Bulls, Mr. Kunal Nagpal. Can we please welcome him with the loudest round of applause? You know, I noticed something. As Mr. Kunal Nagpal was coming up on the stage, we got a lot of CTs, a lot of whistles. And the moment I come back on stage, the room goes quiet. Why is that? Can we get those whistles back up? Come on. So now moving forward, I also learned one more thing. A lot of our partners, or should I say our parivar members, our family members, have also bought flats. Can I see a show of hands who all have bought flats? There are quite a few hands, and that light is kind of blinding me. Let me come down and have a quick chat with you all. Hi, Ms. Naveen. So I have a quick question for you. What drove your interest to buy this flat? And the best part was that was just so candid, and it felt like it came straight from the heart. That's why when I'm calling you out, I'm not saying partners, I'm saying parivar.
Yeah, this is a basic question.
Oh, so you were not listening to anything I was saying?
I was listening to the wobbling guy.
Okay, my question is, actually I will not ask you this question. I will not ask you what drove your interest. If you have to define this project where you have bought a flat and it will be delivered soon, if you have to describe it in 3 words, 3 quick words, like a rapid fire, what would those words be?
I think great value for money and great return on investment.
Prime reason that we are gathered here today, and that is to acknowledge you, our Asli achievers, our superstars. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now be starting with the awards, and to present the same, may I now invite on stage CEO, India Bulls, Mr. Devesh Shah. Can we please welcome him with the loudest round of applause? And along with him, may I also request Mr. Ankur Arora to please join us to present the first set of awards. I think यही जो प्यार है, यही जो trust है, this is the reason behind the success we have had over this past year. It's very rare to find something like that, and I have felt that in every conversation I've had so far. All right, getting back to the awards, ladies and gentlemen, the next award goes out to
दिल
चोरी साडा हो गया. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was actually my hint on what's going to happen next. From lighting up the big screen with her charm to delivering performances that stay with us long after the credits roll. She's bold, she's brilliant, she's electrifying, she's unstoppable, she's sensational, she's Nusrat Bharucha! I'm your host for the evening, Akriti Narula, signing off for now. But that is only me signing off, because the temperature in the room is about to go up a notch. She's glamorous, she's got the glamour, she's got the looks, she's